Google has released yet another Gen AI service called as Palm 2. Palm 2 is a next generation LLM model which is already promised to be breaking all the records, and it is competing head on with ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to discuss Security Palm or SecPalm, which is a specialized version of Palm 2 trained on security use cases. It is a potential leap for cybersecurity analysis. Available through Google Cloud, SecPalm uses artificial intelligence to help analyze and explain the behavior of potentially malicious scripts and better detect which scripts are actually threats to people and organizations in precedented time. Since a couple of months back, I think in March, Google has been previewing the Palm API with a small group of developers. Now, these developers have approved that, and now all of the developers can sign up to use the Palm 2 model behind this SecPalm, and or even customers can use this model in Vertex AI with enterprise grade privacy, security, and governance. This LLM Palm 2 by Google is also powering Duet AI for Google Cloud, which is a generative AI collaborator designed to help users learn, build, and operate faster than before. Coming back to this SecPalm, as you can see on your screen, Google Cloud is taking the AI plus platform approach for cybersecurity. Now, Google already has announced Google Cloud Security AI Workbench, which is the industry first extensible platform powered by a specialized security LLM, SecPalm. This new security model is fine-tuned for security use cases, incorporating Google's unsurpassed security intelligence, such as Google's visibility into the threat landscape and Mandiant's frontline intelligence on vulnerabilities, malware threat indicators, and behavioral threat actor profiles. This security AI workbench in Google Cloud powers new offerings that can now uniquely address three top security challenges: threat overload, toilsome tools, and the talent gap. It will also feature partner plugin integrations to bring threat intelligence, workflow, and other critical security functionality to the customers. This platform will also let people make their private data available to the platform at inference time, ensuring that Google honors all their data privacy commitments to the customers. Because Security AI Workbench is built on Google Cloud's Vertex AI infrastructure, customers can also control their data with enterprise grade capabilities such as data isolation, data protection, sovereignty, and compliance support. I hope that you also find it as exciting as I do because this will make the life of cloud security engineers a lot more easier. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.